Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why your Kidde smoke alarm is blinking a red light and what that warning actually means. Now, on many of the Kidde smoke alarms, this type of red light flashing every few minutes is actually normal. It usually means that the alarm is powered on and monitoring correctly. But if the red light flashes rapidly, constantly, or if it appears together with chirping sounds, the alarm may be reporting a problem. Now, some of the Kidde alarms continue blinking red temporarily after detecting the smoke or triggering an alarm event. So, even cooking, smoke, steam, or burnt food can activate the sensor briefly. In that case, the detector may store the event for a short period before returning to the normal operation. Now you can also take a look at the battery conditions carefully. Sometimes a weak battery or the unstable hardwired connection can cause the unusual blinking patterns. So in this case, you just have to do nothing but to just simply replace the batteries with the fresh one and make sure that the battery compartment also closes completely. Now for hardwired models, you need to confirm the power connector is fully attached. So you can try these easy fixes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.